be a close race. I'll eat them all day long run.
Smoke the tire?
Huh?
Smoke the tire?
Yeah, it would. I was seeing how torquey it was. It broke the tires loose.
Huh?
It broke tires loose when I tried pulling it up.
Over what?
It broke the tires loose when I was trying pulling it up to do a wheelie. Just sat there and spun.
Second?
Not first.
First?
Yeah.
What's he gonna do? Try to do a wheelie?
I just
With a broken handlebar?
That's what I thought.
That might be a disaster.
Recording it.
Huh?
Recording it.
He's not recording it.